Hello everyone, this is another update. This is basically the 15 update, and if you realize that I missed out the 14 update, right? And one thing I can tell you, one day makes a big difference, because these 13 the shoots on the shoot end up container, the potato and the potato tuber, the shoots were not so tall, right? And they are very tall and plentiful now, right? As you can see. Remember, I basically had to go a little closer with the camera to really show you what is going on, but now I can basically stand off and show you. So look in the container, roots galore, guys, and this is just the 15, right? As you can see, the vine has new leaves coming out, right? So that is good. You can see it needs some water, needs some topping up, so I'm going to add some more water, basically to both container. As you can see, the shoot and down container, as again, if I should remove the vine, oops, if I should remove the vine, you basically will see nothing in the container, right? So right, the tuber is not really doing a lot. It's not doing anything more than getting rotten in the water, right? So you know, you can see for yourself what is going on. This is a shoot end down and this is a shoot end up, so you can basically conclude what is going on there. But of course, I'll do a video which will discuss and analyze and come to conclusions, right? After all, this is an experiment. So thank you. Please stay tuned for our subsequent updates.